What's up YouTube, it's Hurricane BMX, and I haven't made a video in a long time, so I guess it'll be a bike check since I got a new frame, new seat post, new chain, new forks, new tire, and new headset, new bottom bracket. So let's get started. Up top I'm running the ODI Longnecks in cyan blue with the ODI bar ends. I really recommend these grips if you want long-lasting grips. These are it, the ODIs. I've got the Kink Midtown bars, red. I've got the Redline hollow point stem. We got the Premium Products headset. Coming down, I've got the Fit Park frame, I believe. It's the Fit Park, I think. 21-inch top tube, integrated headset, mid-bottom bracket. It's a double-butted frame. Coming down, I've got the S&M pitchforks. I spray painted them lime green as well as the frame. So my front rim, I've got a DK hub, laced with an Alienation rim. I've got a McNeil valve cap, purple, and I've got the Fit tire tan wall 2.3. Coming back here, I have the Solid Bikes seat, which is gray, Primo seat post, and Shadow Conspiracy Offered seat climb. I had the Shadow Conspiracy Fat Crow seat, but someone stole that. I had it at the bike locks and someone stole it from the bike. But anyways, coming down, I've got the Mission Transit cranks. I got the Shadow Conspiracy Ravager pedals in white. Real grippy pedals. I really would recommend these. Just get them in a different color. Don't get them in white, because as you guys can see here, they get dirty real fast. Got the Eastern Medusa sprocket, 25 tooth V2. I've got the Mechanic half track chain, half link chain. Got a Primo bottom bracket, purple. You can see Primo. Coming towards the back, I've got the Mission Function hub, laced in Alienation rim, Fit tire 2.25, and tan wall, and again the Mechanic valve cap. McNeil valve cap. That's pretty much it over the overall bike check. Thanks for watching. Keep on hitting that sub button. I'll be getting some new cranks soon, and probably a new back rim. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Peace.